Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Her Moonlight, chapter 13. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Goose singing on Fushiyu. After the dance rehearsal, and after taking a bath, finally, it's end of the day, and the two of them were talking. Fushiyu was calling Gu singing, "Sister, what were you thinking about just now?" Gu singing was asking Fushiyu to sit beside her, and she was looking at her. Moreover, looking at her, Fushiyu said, "I'm thinking that someone must have done it back then. Otherwise, how could your informations appear in Jing Dance Group?" So the two of them are really doubting who is the person who sent the information of Gu singing to the other dance group. It was made by someone who complained about me. Well, definitely, they were right. The only person is Lin Yanke. She's always getting mad at hers. Probably she got really jealous because of her fame. She's been the leader of the troop before, but right now, she came back again. Everything is coming back again. I said, after my sister came back, she was so defensive. She must be afraid that the matter of the frame, she must be exposed. Well, right now, looking at Wushiyu, she's really getting angry. Wait, until we find an evidence. I must. Well, definitely, she was really acting cute. But for a moment, it's alright, it's already tangled. I'm all in the dance troupe now. She can hide it sooner or later, okay? Well, definitely, Gu singing was right. The truth will be exposed in the future. Well, definitely, she was chewing the fruits right now. Sister is right, such a good atmosphere. Not us as good as us. Oh, Pushiyu, she is getting tricky. Right now, she already pinned down Gu singing. Well, definitely this girl. She has a lot of tricks on herself. And also, right now, what is she going to do? Since they already knows that it was Lin Yanke, well, definitely Lin Yanke will think something again. But it was Pushiyu, let's go and sleep together. Well, they really miss each other. Singing said, Xiaoyu, there will be a general rehearsal tomorrow. Of course, they need to take rest for now. Rehearsal is really early in the morning, and it could really miss it. But Pushiyu, she was really acting strange, and said to her, I don't care, I don't care. Now, Shikari, who's singing? Where is she planning to go? Right now, it turns out she carried her to the room. This girl, she is really tricky, especially right now. They've been rekindled after 4 years, and now everything is coming back. Suddenly, she put down Goose singing. And it really makes sense. Did you want to tease her? Since she already pinned down and Goose singing, she cannot escape. But right now, Ushiyu, she moved closer to her, and she was calling her sister. Well, definitely, she want to plan something. Of course, right now, it's getting late tonight. Fushiyu said, You are mine tonight. Well, what a cute girl she is. She's trying to get hers. But right now, Fushiyu, who's singing was suddenly laughing. Well, maybe Gu singing, she really find her cute. That's why she was laughing right now. Although Fushiyu, she got really serious, but of course, since it's getting late, things needs to be controlled by Gu singing. Sister, the wool section is broken. Well, definitely. Right now, the position is getting changed. Now, it was Pushiyu. She already pinned down by Gu singing. Well, definitely. She was really not a veteran on this. See, look at her. She really can bear it. She really can see her closer to her. That's why she was really acting strange. Right now, it's been defeated by Gu singing, of course. Gu singing kissed her gently and said, Alright, let's sleep. Well, what a tricky girl she is. Since it's getting late, the two of them are going to sleep right now. Gu Singing was covering her up, so she won't catch a cold. Well, definitely, it will be a long night for them. Let's see on what will happen since Fushiyu and Gu Singing was really happy being together after 4 years of being far away to each other. It was the next day, the dance room. Gu Singing and Fushiyu was practicing hard. There's a lot of things needs to be changes, and of course, for the postures of Fushiyu, some of it needs to correct by Gu Singing. The time is always off. Take a rest and go to the rehearsals later and have a look. Turns out her friend was coming. Last night, I can get up so early. It's okay, you, her friend said to her, but the two of them seems to be awkward. Of course, right now, she was blushing. What? Don't talk nonsense. We don't. But her friend is teasing her and said, I believe it. Well, definitely, there's nothing. But right now, Fushiyu, oops. Alright, let's walk around. The total rehearsal is about to start out. Fushiyu said to them. Well, she was right. Now, look at them. They really dance gracefully. Everything seems to be right. But of course, it was Gu Singing to make a decision right now. Singing, what do you think? The director is asking Gu Singing about the performance of the ladies. And now, this is to test her good judgments and also good eyesight in terms of dancing. When Xiaoyu's movement stopped, it was not clean and it was sloppy. So it turns out she can see a lot of things, especially bad moves of the team. The fourth paragraph of the dance gave the rebound Pipa style circle. Oh, it turns out there's a lot of problem, right? And mostly the overall power is still lacking. That's it. That's the perception of Gu Singing. Well, she really noticed a lot of today. It seems that being away from 4 years is not a hindrance for her talent. The director said to her, well, not bad. So it turns out, Gu Singing, she has really born a natural talent and she really can distinguish what's a good or bad. Well, what is there to be proud of? Now, Lin Nanke. She was looking at Gu Singing and the director. Definitely, she was planning against something. Hey guys, thanks for supporting Ochiwai, Nabita, Jo, and RS3. Thank you for joining membership. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!